Hello everyone, myself Priyavrat and welcome to our YouTube channel Helpful Techniques. So guys, in this video we'll be discussing about the Amazon Off-Campus Drive 2023 where freshers as well as the experienced candidates are eligible. So we'll be discussing about the eligibility criteria, about the application process, about the hiring process, or I mean to say the selection process, right? So before discussing further, if you are new to our YouTube channel, then please subscribe so that you'll be able to get the timely updates regarding various off-campus. And also recently we discussed about the Deloitte off-campus, about the IBM and the Juho off-campus. So if you missed these opportunities, the link is there in the description. You can go and apply for these 3 off-campus drives, and also other off-campus drives are also available here. So you can apply. So the links will be available in the description. And also don't forget to join our Telegram channel. You can search for latest off-campus in your Telegram application. You can join, and if you see here, we are uploading minimum of 5 to 10 off-campus drive updates every day for various streams or the experienced background candidates, right? So, and also we are uploading various off-campus videos related to the preparation like Accenture, for TCS and Amazon, Infosys, etc. And also we are taking mock interviews for various off-campus drives, and it's absolutely free of cost. So you can get the details in the description. So now let's discuss about this off-campus. So they're hiring for 2 different locations. So the first one is the Bangalore and second one is the Hyderabad. So this is all about the payment risk operations team or payment risk analyst position is, and the salary will be getting 3 to 4 LPA for the freshers, and the experience needed is 0 to 5 years of experience or the relevant experience. So now later we'll be discussing what exactly it is if you don't know, but now let's discuss about the eligibility criteria here. So educational qualification required is the graduate in any stream. That means you must have completed your graduation, and stream means mechanical, civil, electrical. They can belong to CSE or the EC, etc. Any stream, and any year of pass out or the batch candidate can apply, provided you should be ready to join as soon as possible, right? And coming to this position, before this, let me tell you about this role. So investigate suspicious activities or the behavior that could pose a risk to the Amazon or our customer in the global market. So basically what happens, so it's a kind of non-technical position, but here what will be happening, suppose your credit card or like your account details like or the payment details has been compromised by the any hacking team or someone, right? And someone is misusing your details. So so what happens, by using your credit card or debit card, someone is doing the payment and purchasing something from their platform or from Amazon, right? So as a risk assessment team or as a risk analyst, your job is to check whether these fraudulent activities are happening or any platform or any in the any transaction or for any customer, right? So you have to check and you have to report those kind of suspicious activities. So it is a very much like interesting role or activity, but you have to be like cautious, and you have to check whether those things are really suspicious or not. And it takes lot of like effort or like brain to like identify or catch, because nowadays the understanding the pattern is so tough, because the like hackers or some other people are nowadays they are very clever, right? So you have to act accordingly. So so coming to the skills or like any kind of technology is needed for this position. So basic MS package knowledge you must be having, like Word, Excel or PowerPoint or Outlook, like how to demonstrate your findings, or how to manage the Excel sheet or various kind of like functionalities available under this various applications and all. So the basic things are needed here. And if you are interested, simply what you have to do, you have to simply copy and paste this one in a browser, or like you have to go to this website and you have to take the challenge, I mean the test. So here this is a registration page for this exam. So you have to here there is a complete JD is available, or the job description is available for this position. So if you see here, let me open. Yeah, so view job description. So if you see here, it's for Bangalore 2023. That means it is for Bangalore location. So like this, you have to click on the apply for this Hyderabad location. So it's up to you. And if you click on the view job description, the complete job description is here. So basically I didn't want to like make a video on this position, but actually I made this video because I know many people or the freshers or the job seekers, those who really need a job for a short-term basis or want to earn some money by doing any sort of work or like relevant to their experience or like in areas of interest, then it's like very good job, because like it doesn't need any kind of like expertise or skills or specific technical skills here to do this job. So if you are a job seeker or looking for a job and you are sitting idle, then you can invest some time here by doing this job, and you can earn some money through this, right? So that's why I made this video for those people, those who are desperately needing job in order to like for their livelihood and all. So you can sit for few hours and do your job, because these things will not be taking that much of time to complete here target, because I have some sort of like part-time experience earlier, like very earlier, like I have done such kind of thing. So it's like it doesn't consume much time, so you can do parallelly to your job search or job hunt, or parallelly to your any sort of work or business, something like that, right? So because here everyone is eligible, and if you can these are like details you need to provide, and basic details it is asked. So once you have provided all the details, you can simply click on the the declaration, and you can click on the submit. So after that, you will be receiving one test invitation. The basic English comprehension questions will be there, and some logical questions will be there to understand about your thinking and all, but it will not be that much tough, like below average kind of questions will be there. And we have already made a video on this. It's a basically a Hire Pro exam, so I'll be putting the link in the description of this video to this like how exactly they ask the questions and what are the various pattern or like syllabus, everything I have discussed earlier. So the link will be there in the description of this video. You can go and apply. And once you have qualified this round, then there will be a technical and HR interview. So like it's like very easy kind of rounds are there, but you have to like play very like cleverly, because there will be some kind of like tricky questions will be there to understand how like attentive you are or attention to the details you have. So this is all about this position. So I'll be putting this link in the description of this video and also the preparation video, and so that you can prepare well and you can crack this interview or this job hunt. So if you have any doubt, please let me know in the comment section below. I'll definitely help you as soon as possible, and give a thumbs up if you like this video. So I'll see you in the next off campus related video. So till then, thank you, bye bye.